Hey everyone! Welcome back to Stock and Crypto World with VJ. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest topics in the crypto world right now, Bitcoin ETFs. We'll explore what they are, why they're making headlines, and what this means for the future of crypto investing. As always, this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Make sure to do your own research before making any investment decisions. Let's get into it! What is a Bitcoin ETF? Let's start with the basics. A Bitcoin ETF, or exchange-traded fund, is a type of investment fund that tracks the price of Bitcoin and allows investors to buy shares of the fund on a traditional stock exchange. Essentially, it provides exposure to Bitcoin without needing to buy the cryptocurrency directly. This can be a big deal for investors who want to get into crypto but are hesitant to set up a digital wallet or deal with the technicalities of buying and storing Bitcoin. Why are Bitcoin ETFs trending right now? The buzz around Bitcoin ETFs has been growing lately, especially with several high-profile applications for Bitcoin ETFs being filed with regulatory bodies like the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. Some big names in the financial industry, including BlackRock and Fidelity, have recently applied to launch their own Bitcoin ETFs. This has sparked a lot of excitement in the market because it signals a growing acceptance of Bitcoin in mainstream finance. How do Bitcoin ETFs work? Bitcoin ETFs work by holding Bitcoin or Bitcoin futures contracts. When you invest in a Bitcoin ETF, you're essentially buying shares of a fund that tracks the price of Bitcoin. The price of the ETF shares moves up and down with the price of Bitcoin, giving you exposure to the cryptocurrency's price movements without actually holding any Bitcoin yourself. There are two types of Bitcoin ETFs, spot ETFs and futures ETFs. Spot ETFs directly hold Bitcoin, while futures ETFs invest in Bitcoin futures contracts, which are agreements to buy or sell Bitcoin at a future date at a predetermined price. Futures ETFs are currently the only type approved by the SEC in the United States, but there is a lot of anticipation that spot ETFs could be approved soon. The potential impact on the crypto market. So, what does all of this mean for the crypto market? The approval of a Bitcoin ETF could be a game changer. First, it would provide a more accessible way for traditional investors to get involved in crypto, potentially leading to a massive influx of capital into the market. This increased demand could drive up the price of Bitcoin and, by extension, other cryptocurrencies. Additionally, the approval of Bitcoin ETFs would further legitimize Bitcoin as an asset class, encouraging more institutional investors to consider it as part of their portfolios. What does this mean for crypto investors? For crypto investors, the rise of Bitcoin ETFs presents both opportunities and challenges. On one hand, more mainstream adoption of Bitcoin could lead to higher prices and greater market stability. On the other hand, the introduction of institutional money could lead to increased regulation and oversight, which might limit some of the freedoms that have traditionally been associated with the crypto space. It's also worth noting that while Bitcoin ETFs can provide exposure to Bitcoin's price movements, they don't offer the same benefits as holding Bitcoin directly. For example, ETF holders won't be able to use their shares for transactions or participate in the decentralized finance, DeFi ecosystem. Is it the right time to invest? The million-dollar question is, should you invest in a Bitcoin ETF? As always, it depends on your individual risk tolerance and investment strategy. Bitcoin ETFs could be a great option for those looking to gain exposure to Bitcoin without dealing with the complexities of owning the actual cryptocurrency. However, remember that the crypto market is still highly volatile, and it's essential to understand the risks involved. Final thoughts. In conclusion, the potential approval of Bitcoin ETFs is an exciting development for the crypto world and could significantly impact the market's future. Whether you're a seasoned crypto investor or just starting out, it's crucial to stay informed and consider how these changes might affect your investment strategy. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the stock and crypto markets. I'd love to hear your thoughts on Bitcoin ETFs, so drop a comment below. And as always, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more insights.